All right, number 6, we are doing 2 of them. Notice there's a comma, kind of hard to see. We're doing -5 times row 2 added to row 1. So that's going to be, row 1 is going to get changed. And then we're going to do -7 times row 2 and add it to row 3. So row 3 is going to be changed. All right, so notice we're using both times row 2 to manipulate row 1 and 3. So row 2 is going to be unaffected. We're not doing anything to row 2. All right, so row 2 is going to remain the same. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in there. 1, 4, 5, and -4. So row 2 is going to be unchanged. Now we're going to perform these operations and get our new row 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply -5 times row 2. So -5 times 1 will give me -5. -5 times 4 will give me a -20. -5 times 5 will give me a -25. And that last number, -5 times -4, will give me a +20. So this is row 2 times -5. We're going to add that to row 1. So I'm going to put row 1 right below it. 5, -5, 7, -6. I'm going to add this up. This is going to be my new row 1 because we're adding it to row 1. So I'll get a 0 here. -25. We get -18. And we get +14. So this is my new row 1. Zero, -25, -18, 14. All right. Now we're going to go down here and manipulate row 3. So what it says is we're going to multiply -7 times row 2. So I'm going to multiply this by -7 and then add it to row 3. All right, so -7 times 1 gives me a -7. -7 times 4, -28. -7 times 5, -35. Then -7 times -4, +28. Negative and negative is a positive. All right, and then row 3 right below it, -3, -12, -15, and 12. And I'm just going to add these up, and this is going to give us our new row 3. Okay, so this will give us a -10, -40, -50, and then 40. Okay, so this is our new row 3. And this is just to kind of get you practicing manipulating and changing rows in the matrix.